Yeah, beautiful girls don't even need to wear masks.
Beautiful girls, you don't need to wear a mask.
The thing is, I have to deal with this every day. Y'all catching glimpses of this shit.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marshayla. And if you're not new, thank you so much for returning to another video. It is currently, I don't know if you can see that, but it is currently 7:54 in the morning. I do not be getting up this early. But my sister want me to get up super early so I can get ready and be ready because we are gonna go to Columbus for the day because we young and we beautiful and we ain't got no kids or no man. So why not? Why not have some fun and go? And we're gonna bring y'all along for the journey as well. So I'm about to get up, take a shower, do my hair, get dressed. Good morning, y'all. I'm in the car with my sister. She's gonna get gas and she's getting on my nerves already. But we're not gonna let her, she's gotta snap out of it. She brought me some Starbucks though. I get iced tea latte with almond milk and cold foam. So good. But I left the mask that we need at home, so I'm gonna go and get them out the house. We're only like next door to where I live. And yeah, I don't know why she got an attitude, but she gotta snap out of it. Here she go, here she go, here she go, looking at me crazy.
That's crazy. It's cool though.
Say good morning to the vlog. You want me to drive?
No, I don't want you to drive.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. You don't even know what. See, she always want to argue with me. We already spending too much time with each other. That's how you know when we get to arguing. That's how you know y'all been spending too much time with each other.
You don't know how to drive anyway, so it don't even matter.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
I'm happy I got that on the vlog. Remember that next day you want me to drive somewhere. I'm happy I got that. I'm happy I got that on the vlog. I'm happy. Let me know what y'all get from Starbucks. Comment down below what y'all get. My sister got, what you get, Markia?
What'd you say?
What's your Starbucks order? What you get?
Iced caramel coffee, extra caramel, extra cream. They ain't give me no caramel drizzle because, you know, I ain't want to.
Because you don't need it.
Because I ain't want to be extra today. But it's okay. Hopefully it tastes good because they need to serve it up.
Hopefully it tastes good. I'm going to go get my mask. And then we're going to be on the road to see.
Where's my mask at?
I got you one. Look! See, she's so rah-rah. She's so rah-rah. I got her one too. Shout out to my boy Drula. Hit him up on the tube.
Never know.
Okay, y'all, we finally made it to the place. We here in Columbus. I put the mask on. Markia gonna say.
I'm being honest.
Markia, what did you say?
I said, is this like considered a mask? Because is it really a mask?
Our face is covered. What else do you want?
You're right. What else do you want?
What else do you want? Our face is covered. You want a face covering? I have one.
Oh, a face covering. Wow, they might say that though.
What is a mask? A mask, that's what.
But this is a face cover too.
What does a mask do? A mask covers your face.
Yeah.
So we got on a mask. We just don't want our makeup to get messed up. Can you work with us? We look beautiful. Can you work with us?
Yeah, beautiful girls don't even need to wear masks.
Beautiful girls. You don't need to wear a mask.
The thing is, I have to deal with this every day. Y'all catching glimpses of this shit. Finally, she want to record this shit. This is crazy.
This is my OOTD. I got this cute little tennis piece, 2-piece from ASOS, and it's Adidas. And then I got this cute cardigan. I got this from like Shein from like a couple years ago.
Shein or Shein?
Shein. How do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Which one it is, Shein or Shein? Then I got these sneakers. I don't even know how long I had them or where I got them from. I got them for, I don't even know, but I had them for a while. And that's my OOTD. Alright, y'all. We couldn't even eat inside. Like, whatever. Here's the bag. Me and my kid got 2 egg sandwiches. They came with like some sauce, but we ain't want no sauce. They pretty big though. They nice and big. It was like $15 for 2 sandwiches. Let me know in the comments if y'all think that's a lot. Now we about to dig in. It's called egg sandwich with bacon and some ciabatta bread. Open it up for y'all. Look at that. With some arugula. You know white people always got to put some lettuce on something. Alright, so now we're going to try it. You ready?
Alright, come on.
1, 2.
It's a white people breakfast. We saw some black people about to eat at Drunken Eatery. Should've went over there.
It's like Panera, but like
Better.
the step above Panera.
I'm glad I had a sandwich just like this up in there.
I'm glad you did.
I'm glad I did.
We about to go to the mall, so we'll see y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, we made it to the mall. Marquise want me to give her a quarter so she could check her weight on this machine right here. Give me a quarter. Yeah, what's up with her, bruh? I shouldn't even give it to her, but I'm gonna give it to her.
This here. You might tell me it's an exact.
It's a what? It's a exact, okay? Alright. It's like the same shit it say at home. So what's the T? Damn, she got money. She just threw her iPhone. Yeah, it's the same weight at home. Exact digital weight. Your personal fortune today, yes. I see. Control your temper. That's a fact. Hey, y'all. So we went to the mall. And in the last clip, Marquia lost her fucking phone. She left it on the thing. Remember I said she threw that bitch? Threw that hoe. And left it on the counter. And I don't know what's wrong with her car. But it ain't charging my phone. That bitch keep dying. It just died like 3 times. And we can't even get out of our destination because it keeps dying. The camera is shaking. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Life.
So, Marquia,
I mean, I've been happy. I always will be happy. It's just a little mishap, little happy, you know. This is nothing. You can order the phone tonight, yeah. You can order the phone right now. She got money on her card right now. Wait, what's the song we just playing? Everybody ops. Everybody. Look, Dirk told you, so I don't want to hear it.
moral of this clip, that why we got on here, is because Marquia needs to be
responsible, okay. But don't tell the whole world I need to be responsible. They do not need to know that.
Yes, they do. It's real. It's raw. Things happen. This is life.
Things happen. This is life. Okay, I lost
We
my
go
phone.
through these things
so we could become better people. You lost your phone so you can recognize what you need to improve on. That's it, and that's all. Ain't nobody trying to air your dirty laundry. Huh? Anywho, we are about to head to Markia's teacher's house, Miss Magruder.
She's not my teacher no more. She was my teacher.
In the second damn grade. Markia graduated high school like 2 years ago.
Miss Magruder though, but Miss Magruder, come on though.
But we like Miss Magruder. Miss Magruder took us to the where we go
ballet.
to? Ballet. What's the ballet?
It was the ballet.
It was the ballet. Miss Magruder took us to the ballet. She been taking Markia man's places.
Cause she love me for real.
She do. Okay, how cute is this? In diversity, there is beauty and strength, Maya Angelou. That's a great quote. I love that quote. We gotta take some pics, per usual. A great time. We just had dinner at Kitchen Sochu. What are you rated?
On a scale of the 1 through 10, I could give it a good, I gotta give it a good 8.5. I have to.
Service was great. The
Service
food
was
comes
great.
out like soon as you order it.
As soon as you order it, hot.
Hot.
The chicken wing meat was falling off the bone.
It could have been well done for me.
What you mean?
It could have been like more well done, but
What you mean? Like the skin could have been harder?
the skin could have been harder.
Black people, boy.
Black people like that though. I like it extra crispy, extra hot, lemon pepper with a peach drink. Let me get
a 10-piece hot, lemon pepper sprinkles, extra wet, extra crunchy, with a peach drink on the side. And make sure my fries fresh, cause last time they were cold.
We finally back home. It was a long day. Look at my hair. But we had a great time. If you want to see more vlogs like this with my little sister, us going out, doing things, just being us, like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.